So I used to work in the antenna manufacturing business, right? And one thing we used to do when approaching any single problem, scenario, or situation was reduce the variability, right? Until you learn to reduce the variability and get rid of the common denominators, you're going to cloud your judgment, right? And the market has endless amounts of variability. So this was one thing I was able to use from working in the antenna manufacturing business to becoming a day trader. See, the thing is the market has countless amounts of variables, right? There's endless amounts of information, there's endless amounts of indication, there's endless amounts of scenarios and situations that are keeping you from looking at the information that actually matters. And today in this lesson, it's my goal to help you guys clear that and approach the market with a 50-50 perspective. So the day I'm going to be talking about is 6/17/2024, right? And once again, my goal in this video to show you guys how we implement the 50-50 perspective each and every single day, right? So first things first, we're going to break down the pint numbers, right? The critical levels, right? Now I use these levels once again to simplify the process, and not just simplify the process, but to give me an understanding of the levels that actually hold value for the day. See, it's inevitable that the market's going to have what we call a market imbalance. What's a market imbalance? It's the space between critical level to critical level. So the way I'm looking at this today is buyers are either going to respect end of day, and we're going to see a move up into all-time high. That right there would be what we call a market imbalance, right? Or sellers are going to respect end of day, and we're going to see a move down to PDL. Once again, this is another market imbalance, right? Now, they call it an imbalance because there's an imbalance of supply or demand, which causes the price to move towards the critical level, right? So basically, what that means is there are tons of orders down at previous day low, or there's tons of orders up at all-time high. Now, it's large money's job to gather liquidity, right? So they need price to go from open print to previous day high, open print to all-time high, or open print down to previous day low, right? There, that is where most of the liquidity is, and for them to make money, they need other traders on the other ends of their trade. So price has to go to these critical levels. It's our job to depict which one it's going to go to. It's either going to be a bullish day or it's either going to be a bearish day. That, my friend, is what we call the 50-50 approach. Now that you understand the philosophy, right? Now let's understand the process, right? So you have to have a repeatable approach to do this, right? And I want to show you guys what I do on the Discord to help me and my team do this, right? So if we come over here to the pre-market plan, you're going to see I post a bullish and bearish scenario. I need to approach the market from a state of neutrality. I need to read the market information non-biasly. This means I'm neither bullish nor bearish until I see large money control the critical level, right? Right? So what that means is, in a bullish scenario, I'm looking for buyers to show strength here off end of day in 1 hour 50 EMA. Buyers hold these levels along with open print structure. I'm looking to play longs targeting all-time high, right? You notice my little arrow here in the sweet spot. This is what I call the sweet spot, because whatever happens at end of day today, along with open print, is going to give us the information we need to put on a higher probability trade, meaning it has a higher probability of going up or a higher probability of going down, right? Bearish scenario, looking for sellers to hold end of day, break the 1 hour 50 with downside targets of previous day low in 53891. Boom. My two market imbalances, my 50-50 perspective, right? So first trade I took, come over here to SPY Alerts, you're going to see. And guys, I am extremely transparent over here at the Discord. I mean, when I'm putting on a trade, I'm fleshing out exactly why I'm doing it, when I'm doing it, what I'm trying to accomplish while doing it. Everything, right? Very simple. Check it out. Short here, price drops, price rips up into the cloud, into the 50. We reject the 50, and now we're coming up and we're tagging open print, right? This meets my criteria, right? When I see this, price rejecting the end of day, price rejecting the 50, sellers respecting open print, we close right below it, can see right here, where is it? Boom. In this short, stop above what I do. Stop above previous candle. That's all I'm risking. I'm risking one candle here for a potential move all the way down to previous day low, which is down here at 539.85. So I'm literally risking about 35, 40 cents for what is this? About a $2 move, okay? That meets my criteria. I'm trading off the critical level. I'm trying to capture the market imbalance. Check, right? Now, unfortunately, that trade didn't work for me. Am I upset? Absolutely not, right? Let's break it down. Am I gonna change my approach? Absolutely not, right? I identified my edge. It was also a retest of pre-market low. This is a phenomenal setup. You can see right here, buyers then came in and invalidated my trade plan, right? Check it out. Very, once again, keeping it very simple. What happens here? Sellers are either going to continue to defend this or buyers are going to come in. And what happened? Buyers came in. Boom. Invalidated it. And then we start to muscle through pre-market low. We muscle through open print. And then right here on this candle, we then close above the 50 EMA. Ding. Alarm goes off. We got critical level invalidated, right? We got closing above the 50 EMA, right? And once again, bring it back to the 50-50 approach. This is what makes it so powerful. Even when you're wrong, you're right. And you're right because now you have a better understanding of where the market's going to go, right? If I take a short play off open print here and it doesn't go my way, based on historical data, right? Based on the market imbalance and based on large money grabbing all that liquidity, if sellers aren't going to control this, this is just telling me that buyers are going to control it. And I'm going to trade with the buyers up to end of day, up to all-time high and above, right? So once again, using your losers to understand, hey, yeah, I was wrong, but I could trust my execution. I could trust my strategy. I could trust my understanding of the market imbalance to understand the fact, hey, yeah, I may be wrong here, but that's just telling me that now buyers are in control of the market. So now I have a better understanding of that market information. Now I need to get in the market long with a nice stop, right? So I wait for my criteria to present itself. Price comes down, tags the 50, tags open print, and then we close back above the cloud and we retest into it. So you're going to see here in the Discord, I stop out over here at 10:08. I'm back in the market long at 10:43. Longs with a stop below the 5-minute cloud, right? So check it out. We rip into open print. Buyers defend that. We get back above that 50. Now I'm in the market long with a stop below the cloud, right? And my target is, let's see here, 54421, right? So once again, I am now risking 30 cents here for another $2 move. And now watch how price respects the cloud, blows out above end of day. Once we push through end of day, we get that beautiful rip all the way up into our target and above. Also, notice, a lot of people ask me about pre-market levels. They are also critical. Look at this. You can't make this up. It's literally price rallying to the level, creating the imbalance, right? In this case, it's going to be an imbalance of supply or imbalance of demand, causing price to then rally, break out, and it held the cloud all the way, right? So guys, once again, use the 50-50 perspective. Learn to identify, hey, this thing's either going to go up today or it's going to go down today. I'm non-biased. I don't care which way it goes. All what I care is that I identify my criteria. What's my criteria? It's going to be critical level. It's going to be market structure, and it's going to be those moving averages. Guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit a like, subscribe if it added any value to your trading. And also, if you want to get involved with the team, click the links below. I'll see you in the next lesson.